at addressing the critical challenges regarding the integration of automation in Bangladesh's apparel industry, LightCastle Partners, in collaboration with the Policy Exchange Bangladesh, organized the fourth and final dialogue as part of the Bunon 2030 initiative. The event convened a distinguished group of industry leaders, innovators, development partners, academics, and government stakeholders to explore how automation and innovation can drive sustainable growth while prioritizing worker well-being.
When we talk about well-being, we also think that it is not possible to have garments worker productivity increased without considering their well-being.
And this is a very alarming trend. One of the major identified reasons is obviously the automation of the production processes, which had led to lower participation of women, because there is an innate perception among the management that women are less adaptive to technology in general, which we found to be untrue.
Subsequently, there was a panel discussion moderated by Dr. M. Mashoor Riaz, Chairman of Policy Exchange Bangladesh. The session concluded with thought-provoking reflections on finding the balance between automation and worker well-being and how this equilibrium can be effectively achieved.
We have been very efficient in using one factor of production, labor, but we haven't been very efficient in managing in all factors of production. Technology brings that efficiency in.
So I think our entrepreneurs have the guts to invest in the latest technology. They have the courage to adopt technology, but as I say, that has to make sense from a business standpoint.
I suggest that research should be addressed very importantly, and in that case, academia-industry partnership is very vital.
We are also trying to bring up the community so that they support our RMG workers, the current ones, as well as the next generation.
We need to understand why the bigger ones are motivated to adapt to the high-end technologies and why the rest 90% are not.
I think we should have regular dialogues with all the stakeholders so that we can take a decision which will create a win-win situation for both the government sector and for the public sector.
This was followed by an innovative showcase session held to bridge the gap between cutting-edge innovations and industry needs.
So under the Aparajita project, we fund and develop startups that are working in the RMG industry in 6 different solution areas.
We are building a glass which can assist the QC workers by detecting the defects real-time and precisely.
We are building the factory operating system, which enables manufacturers to track their production processes end-to-end.
The idea of digital training for garment workers may seem a bit unusual, but we're very fortunate that through the support of the Aparajita project, as well as other initiatives, we've been able to deliver and train over 11,000 workers.
Finally, the event concluded with closing remarks from Shams Mahmood, Director of BJMEA and Managing Director of Sasha Denims.
So there's a lot of scope, and automation will play a huge part. And the other thing is that financial well-being will also play a huge part in this. Workers need to be educated as well.
This event marked the fourth and final dialogue of Bunon 2030, held under the Aparajita Collective Impact on the Future of Work in Bangladesh initiative, supported by the Asia Foundation and funded by the H&M Foundation. This project shares a common mission to protect the future livelihoods of women garment workers in Bangladesh as they navigate the complex challenges emerging in the apparel sector. Join us on a transformative journey where we strive to improve the well-being of women apparel workers by driving systemic change.